Hey y'all, Jacob McCord, Victor McCord, Jonathan McCord. We're fixing to, hey, we've been talking about getting Alaskan Sawmill, for I don't know how long. And then this idiot showed up in our family, right, baby brother?
Yeah.
We said, man, all we need is Alaskan Sawmill. We've been talking about building one for I don't know how long. Victor said, I'll buy one. Huh? Guess what we're doing today? We're going to Alaskan Sawmill some wood. And then we're going to make a table for Victor and Jillian's new house, but that ain't got nothing to do with us. So we're just cutting wood. We're just out here cutting wood. I'm getting ready to go plant a bunch of darn vegetables while they're getting everything set up.
I'm free.
Hey, while they're doing the hard work, I'm going to be planting vegetables. Hey, this is the same thing as your shirt.
Oh, yeah. Started crawling all over my head.
They all gonna be covered in ink.
And spiders. Everything like that is good with the big old lump.
Well, you cut that knot out of it.
Probably cut the knot out of it, and you could probably cut the ladder over that knot, and it'll want to touch it. Maybe can.
Maybe will.
Got a tap off the point.
Are we going to cry all day, or are we going to do some Alaskan Sawmill?
That's what I'm talking about.
There's a dead lizard. Got rolled over on.
Who did?
Houdini.
The lizard.
Oh, man.
That's a blue-tailed skink. Eat it. His guts just fell in your mouth.
All right, I'm done. This was exciting.
Let me get control.
Oh, there's
That right there looks
There's a big huge lightning shot right there.
Lightning.
Good Lord, what are y'all doing up there?
Look about you.
Oh, that's perfect. That looks perfect, Victor. I thought Jonathan was going to have the daggum tractor part right here. Victor, hang on. Whoa. You gotta have your daggum screws. Hold on tight. I got a 3.
We're gonna need a 3-inch right here.
I got one.
Because that wood's too small.
gosh.
Don't be afraid, little man.
I'm not afraid. I'm just getting off with it. One of those kids still biting me. I done killed it. Killed it dead in the breed.
We got another 3 on the stretch.
Leaning this way, but heck, we don't do
That's
it.
pretty tight there now.
They're just leaning this way, so I guess it don't
How
matter.
about that? We can, if you want it to be level, go get another piece of wood about that big. We can
Now
lean
we
it
can
back.
pull it back. Now we can pull it back with this. Maybe.
Well, this is under right now.
Well, it doesn't really matter.
If it's not level, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, because the
Well,
next cuts are going to be the same. It's going to be going on the first angle. So even if it goes up or down,
Yeah.
the next one's going to go up and down, and it'll just.
Correct.
I'll be routing it afterwards.
Things out.
Once I put my epoxy down in the river that you want,
I'd reroute it.
yeah, to reroute it.
Oh yeah. Like reroute.
Yeah.
All right. We got stuff to plant.
All the easy work's done.
Oh, we're letting Victor do this alone?
Yeah. Yeah, all the easy work's done. We can go plant now. Victor can be silent. He's so cool.
You want the handle, you want the head of the saw on which side?
Doesn't really matter.
You got another one screw.
Oh, you don't mind.
I think you're gonna try to start with this. What's your main plan here?
No, I don't know.
That is not a good answer.
Yeah.
I'll probably do
The better.
each slab 2 inches.
The better answer would be, I'd say drop that sucker all the way down.
He's gonna have to drop it down enough to be hitting down here and about 1 inch under.
Yeah, I'd drop it down. What does it look like right there?
Yeah, where that side's at now.
Like right here.
Let's put the on.
Huh? Oh! Hey, from what I heard, Victor's, hey Lord, you can't even read that. That thing right there, look, right. Hey, Victor's gonna start cutting. Victor, if it takes more than about 10 minutes, how about come over here and stop it and then start it back, you know what I'm saying?
Now I gotta do 5 jobs. Sounds like 10 to me.
That's because you're rushing, you can't count me. Got him!
You put that on time lapse. Still video. Still video. Something's too tight. It's too tight on the bar, or it's too close to the edge, or something pinching on the chain. Glad we got that figured out after I cranked that daggum thing.
So I just have to loosen it a little bit.
Might have to put it more in the middle of the bar, like we was talking about a minute ago.
Good job, guys.
Let's take the screws out of it and get the ladder off of it.
Hello. Well, our first top cut is done. Brush it off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Man, that's a pretty cut.
And here I was thinking I was an ugly piece of wood.
You really thought that?
I like the shape of the other one better.
Just because that one ain't gonna have no
Ooh,
knots in
buddy. That thing's leveled. It's gonna be a pretty table. Got all them knots.
it. Yeah, that one ain't gonna have no knots in it, dude. That's gonna be pretty. Now we need to set the thing for 2 inches. Dude, man! We're gonna cut me a table too! Me a table too, and then we'll cut you one. This is pretty. Son of a gun, son of a gun.
You forgot the tape measure.
No, I had it. It fell off my dadgum side.
guys are doing great things for this country.
Watch it. Ah, your face got really red.
Where's the broom at? Oh,
I didn't bring it. I forgot it.
that's split.
Yeah, that was split. That's one under the floor. It's almost up to place. It's almost up to place. Jill, are you proud of your chicken?
Trying to keep from breaking my back here. Get up there and help
Your grandpa.
Easy! That diamond plate back there, man. It's free swinging diamond plate. Ah! Ah! Jim! You're close right there. Pushing up that way first,
Steven!
Bob, why are you naked?
It's broke.
Oh, it was already broke. It wasn't broken, you just broke it. That's where that light is. I guarantee you. Alright, stop right there. Stop.
Ouchie! I got boo-boo!
Pull it off.
No.
Yeah. So it's black as anything. That's where lights get that.
That's where lightning hit it. It's on charge.
Hey, live edge.
Talking about, hey, like and subscribe.
Hit that bell for notifications.
Hey.